and welcome to this channel. My name is Dr. MD and in this video we are going to talk about dandruff and how to treat it. Dandruff is a common condition that is not dangerous or contagious, meaning it does not spread from person to person. While dandruff certainly isn't something to be ashamed of, many people find it socially awkward to see white flakes of visible dandruff on their head, hairs, and clothes. Dandruff is caused by a number of factors, and you would be surprised to know that approximately half of the world's adult population is affected by dandruff. So you should never feel alone, as this is very common problem and affects many people. In this video, we will discuss what is dandruff, the factors that can lead to dandruff, and then we will jump on to treatment part. In the end, I will also discuss two very effective home remedies for treating dandruff. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's begin. Dandruff is a skin condition that mainly affects the scalp, but it's not common for people to discover dandruff flakes in their eyebrows, around their ears, and along the side of their nose. To understand dandruff in a better way, you will have to first understand about a condition in dermatology known as seborrheic dermatitis. Seborrheic dermatitis, also known as seborrhea, is a long-term skin disorder. Symptoms include red skin grease, itchy and inflamed skin, areas of skin rich in oil-producing glands and often affected like face, chest and skull. If you look at the term itself, you would understand half of its meaning. Seborrhea is made up of two words, sebum and rhea. Sebum is the oily secretion of the glands present in your skin, and word rhea is derived from the Greek word rhoia, meaning flow. Dermatitis is also made up of two words, derma meaning skin and its meaning inflammation. So seborrheic dermatitis basically means an inflammation of skin in which seborrhea occurs, excessive production of sebum occurs. Seborrheic dermatitis can affect many areas of skin like your face, area around your eyebrows, around your ears, as well as the skull. Basically, any area of the skin that has lot of sebum producing glands known as sebaceous glands. Now, what's the link between seborrheic dermatitis and dandruff? Well, dandruff is just a milder form of seborrheic dermatitis. When seborrheic dermatitis occurs in a mild form without excessive itching, redness, and scaling of the scalp, it is known as simple terms dandruff. One of the most important cause of dandruff is a fungus known as Malassezia, also known as Pityrosporum. Now this fungus is a normal commensal of your skin, meaning it is a harmless organism that lives in the glands of our skin, and normally it doesn't lead to any problem. But in people with dandruff, the levels of Malassezia are increased 1.5 to 2 times normal levels. The fungus Malassezia, particularly Malassezia globosa, that metabolizes triglycerides present in sebum by producing an enzyme known as lipase, resulting in production of oleic acid. Oleic acid, a key fatty acid, is known to induce dandruff, like condition that is ultra-structurally identical to dandruff. As many of you know, our skin cells are continuously shed from top layers and new ones are added to the bottom ones. Usually it takes about 40 to 50 days for the cells from bottom layer of skin to reach the topmost layer. But in people with excessive levels of fungus Malassezia, the skin turnover rate is reduced to less than 7 days. The result is that dead skin cells are shed in large oily clumps which appears as white or greyish flakes on the scalp, skin and clothes, and this is the basic reason of the dandruff. So dandruff scale is just a large clump of dead skin cells mixed with oily secretions of the sebaceous gland and keratin. So now you know what is dandruff and why whitish flakes of dandruff are produced. Now let's jump over to the treatment part of dandruff. And before we start with the medical treatment, let's have a look at some of the lifestyle changes and tips you should keep in mind if you are having dandruff. First, soften and remove scales from your hair. Apply mineral oil, olive oil to your scalp. Leave it for an hour or so. Then comb or brush your hair with wash it. The product that I recommend or herbal oils of any kind. Avoid harsh soaps and use the moisturizer as to keep your skin hydrated and prevent dryness. Avoid styling products. Stop using hair sprays, gels, and other styling products while you are treating the condition. Avoid skin and hair products that contain alcohol. These can cause the disease to flare up. Now let's look at the medical treatment of dandruff. The medical treatment is very simple. Usually, it consists of only medical shampoos, lotions, and creams, but the problem with the medical treatment is that most people do not complete the whole duration of the course of the treatment. Most of the treatment regimes for dandruff have to consistently followed for at least 2 to 3 months for the complete eradication and to prevent future recurrences. With that said, let's look at the first line of treatment that is used for dandruff, which is medicated shampoos. Medicated shampoos which contain antifungal and anti-inflammatory drugs are most commonly used to treat dandruff. Shampoos containing compounds like ketoconazole, zinc pyrithione, pyroton, olamine, cycloperox, olamine, selenium sulfide, sodium sulfatamide, topical terbinafine, and ichthyol are most effective in treating dandruff. These are compounds are antifungal properties. They reduce the number and proliferation of Malassezia fungus on your scalp. Among them, all which mostly contain zinc pyrithione, cycloperox, olamine, and selenium sulfide, as these have been proven by several studies to be most effective compounds in treating dandruff. All the links to these products you can find easily. These shampoos have to apply twice weekly for first week and then once a weekly as maintenance therapy. Be used by several purposes including keeping skin hair and healthy. Remedies for dandruff: coconut oil may help. Improve your skin hydration and prevent dryness, which reduces symptoms of eczema and dandruff. So guys, these were two very effective home remedies for treating dandruff. I hope you liked the video. If you did, you can support our channel by joining our channel here on YouTube. Thank you for watching.